Stop by and take a look at the 2020 ProMaster City. The Ram ProMaster City is available in multiple trims and comes with backup cameras, hands-free calling, and low floor heights. The wide variety of configurations allows you to find the right fit for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, FWD, steel wheels, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.